Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath93.
FunMath93. Today we're still in the review section of Chapter 2 of Art of Problem Solving's Algebra book. And we're in the section, the whole chapter is about these algebraic expressions. And we're learning about adding. So, once again I have no eraser, so no mistakes. So we're going to add these two fractions together. 3 over x plus 4x plus 1 over x plus 1. What would you like to do first on this problem?
Well, we can't do anything to this 3 plus x.
Okay.
So we'll just leave that as 3 over x.
Alright.
Plus we can factor out an x plus 1 out of each of these.
Yeah, I was afraid you were going to say that.
It's 4 times x plus 1. Actually, what could we factor out of that?
Yeah, tell me. What do you think?
It's 4x plus 1 over x plus 1. We could factor. We can't factor anything out of it.
Can't factor anything out of it. Definitely not an x plus 1. Because 4x plus 1 is not the same as, where should I write this? 4x plus 1 does not equal 4 times x plus 1. And you can just check that by plugging in x equals 1. 4 plus 1 is?
Is 5.
4 times 2 is?
Is 8.
Is 8. So this, see an eraser? Alright. This is simplified right from the start. Okay?
So we'll get a common denominator.
Okay, get a common denominator. So what's the common denominator going to be?
It's going to be x squared plus x.
Just leave it like that. You need the denominator from here, you need the denominator from here. So it's x times x plus 1. You are right. In this case, that's very easy to multiply out. In other cases, it's not so easy to multiply out. So it's okay to just leave it like that. Alright?
Yep.
What do you have to multiply this fraction here by, 3 over x?
3 over x times x plus 1 over x plus 1.
Okay, so here's my x times x plus 1 on the bottom, so I get 3 times x plus 1. What do I have to multiply this fraction by?
X over x.
Okay, so here's my x times x plus 1 on the bottom, and I get x times 4x plus 1. Okay?
Yep.
Or, when this gets all multiplied out, this is 3x plus 3. And what is this? X times 4x plus 1?
It's 4x squared plus x.
Okay, so when I add everything together on the top, I have a 4x squared
Plus 4x
plus 4x
plus 3.
plus 3 over x times x plus 1.
It's as simple as we're going to get.
That seems pretty simple. How can we check this?
Well, we can plug in x as 1.
Okay, let's plug in x equals 1. What do we get?
We'll get 3
3 over 1
plus 5. 4 plus 1. It's 5 over 5 halves.
Okay, so we get 3 plus 5 halves. Plugging in x equals 1. So what does this equal?
Well, 3 is 6 halves.
Okay,
We get 11 halves.
so this is 11 halves. Okay, let's put x equals 1 into here.
So we get 4 plus 4 plus 3. That's 11.
Okay.
1 times 2, which is 2.
11 halves. Okay. Now, on these algebraic simplifications, probably a better approach is to do this arithmetic first. Put in x equals 1 right at the beginning. Okay?
Yeah.
So you do that arithmetic so you know what you're expecting. That at least will give you a little bit of information about the problem. then do your simplifying and see what you can get. Now these are a lot of algebra.
Yeah.
It's a lot of manipulating these expressions, and takes a little bit of time. So, a couple points. Put an x equals 1 at the beginning. That will help you
Yeah.
understand the problem. 4x plus 1 is not the same thing as 4 times x plus 1. That's important. If you're confused about that, or if you think it is, just put in a number. 4x plus 1 is 5 when you put in x equals 1. 4 times x plus 1 is 8. Is there ever a situation where 5 equals 8?
No.
No. Would you rather have 5 eggs dropped on your head or 8 eggs dropped on your head, or is that the same thing?
None.
None? Okay. And then, check at the end. Put in your x equals 1 at the end. Okay? Good job. Good job.